Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GoodNotes for a digital bullet journal in 2026. Do you want to organize your life creatively? A digital bullet journal in GoodNotes is perfect for tracking goals and tasks. So let's see how to set it up. And before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the GoodNotes application. Now, GoodNotes is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download this via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. You can also download this on your computer, on your Windows or Mac by accessing the website goodnotes.com. Now once you finish setting up your application, you're gonna open it. You're gonna open GoodNotes and then create a new notebook. Now here you're gonna click on the new plus button and choose the notebook or text documents, whiteboard, folder, image, take photo, quick notes, or you can import your own files. Once you choose that, now before you do that, the GoodNotes application free plan only allows you to create 3 editable notebooks. So make sure to upgrade if you want more notebooks. Now, after you create a new notebook, I'm just gonna open a new one. You're gonna design or import a bullet journal template. You can import it yourself, or you can search for it in the marketplace, as you can see here. You can look for it by typing in digital bullet journal here, and you can see all the templates there. Now, after that, you're gonna create sections like daily logs, monthly goals, and trackers. As you can see here, there's a daily planner. There's a life study planner. It's a digital planner. So you're gonna make sure to edit that template to your needs, and that's it. Update your journals regularly, and enter your tasks and events. A digital bullet journal helps you stay organized and motivated. So use it consistently for the best results. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.